Eskom is upgrading all old electricity meters with modern smart meters, giving you clarity, control and confidence. With your new meter, you'll be able to see your usage in real time, giving you the power to manage your electricity with ease. Smart meters are accurate and help Eskom respond faster to issues. Please allow their authorized installers access to install the new meter. For more information, visit the Eskom website. Eskom, redefining for a better future. Welcome, South Africa. Welcome aboard. The Naked DJ, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you well?
Super. No complaints.
Love that.
Yeah.
All right.
Yourself?
I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. I'm great. Thank you.
So easy? Oh, okay. So.
Sibiki phambili bambi ifika uyazi lo ngoma mchemo yes icula bani
Busiso.
yes
How
are you good sir?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, let's go. Anonymous.
Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning, how are you guys?
Good and you?
I'm good, thank you.
Awesome. Anonymous, you've got such a sweet, sweet voice, but let me read you the... naked.
very, very. You can tell she's the culprit.
No, don't say that. Don't jinx her.
I agree.
No ways, guys. Okay, wait. House rules. Hey, respect is the foundation of our conversation, Anonymous. Maintain respectful language, refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, They say you are the culprit, but do you agree?
I'll say yes. However, they say that a tree doesn't grow without roots.
Mm-hmm.
So, he was the cause of the problem, I would say, although maybe it will seem like I'm shifting blame or whatsoever.
Let's start from the beginning then.
Okay. I recently got lobola. When was it? Last year around May. Everything was fine, I think in my eyes everything was fine. Hence, I expected that he can come and pay lobola, and of which he did. However, fast forward, things were just going down the drain. Guy would come back in the wee hours of the morning from groove and whatsoever, and I would question him, why are you doing this? And he'll be like, you no longer make home feel like home anymore. Okay, cool. I didn't question going further because now he was literally like draining me emotionally and psychologically, So fast forward around November, I think October late, yes, I started engaging with this one guy, of which him and I were having conversations and whatsoever. And then most probably around November, early December, that's when I had sex with the guy.
Nice.
And he found out through chats and he literally found everything on my phone, So he literally called things off. I've been asking for forgiveness, and I would tell him, like, you know what, you also started cheating. You even cheated before you even came and paid lobola at home. But then I kept on thinking, you will change. However, you kept on doing it. And around September, there was a girl who came where we stay. And she came and said, can you please tell your husband to stop harassing every guy that I date or whatsoever. So I was like, you know what, wow, it's a lot. So I think that's why I ended up having to do what I did, So my question is, should I keep asking for forgiveness or should I just let go? What I did, yes, I do know it was wrong. However, I still love the guy. I actually do, yes. Although I did what I did to him, I do love him.
Why was what you did wrong?
The cheating, I think... can I speak vernacular?
Yes, you can. I'm here.
Yes, like... To revenge.
Okay, hold on.
To avenge myself.
Did you revenge or did you do something that you wanted to do? Because Anonymous, there's no way you're going to open your legs for another man to get back at your man. You get what I mean?
You can.
You did what you wanted to do because it was nice and because he had disrespected you and he had broken the contract of, well, that side of the respect part, right? So I actually don't think what you did was wrong.
I understand what you're saying.
Back consoler, love. Back consoler. Back consoler. He wants to make you feel better. It's wrong if it's not part of your moral compass. You know. If you allow somebody to make you something that you are not, I'll see charger when.
No, but so means
It's not wrong if he's charger. Who's charger when? Exactly.
No, but guys.
Yes. You can have revenge sex. You can.
You know, you said the guy made her something she's not. I don't believe that. I think it was always there.
No.
You know, and you just chose not to activate that part because you guys had an agreement to be monogamous towards each other, right? Because you had agreed to be monogamous. But the moment he broke the deal, it also said to you, no, but you can also do what you want because the deal is no longer on the table. You get what I mean? So I don't even think, Somizi, anonymous. Come
People
on.
can make you become something that you are not.
You are
if,
that person.
if you are not emotionally intelligent, if you are not mentally smart, if you are not, if you don't have a backbone, people can make you. People can. Not every time you cursed at somebody is because every time when you walk out to anyone, we are tugana.
Sometimes.
You know, you can be in an argument with someone, and if you're emotionally and mentally whatever strong, you walk away because you remember who you are.
Come on.
Right? But if you're not strong in those aspects, you become something that you're not. Umuntu makati ka, now uthi ka, but it's not in you to go ka back. So you can cheat because it doesn't mean that when you cheated, you are a cheater. You cheated because maybe it makes you feel better, because you feel empty, but also emotionally intelligent. In election, but we parry emotionally. So not all the time. So there are people who, if you cheat because your partner cheated and you don't feel some sort of remorse, it means very you are a cheater. You're just using this situation to make yourself feel better. But you could have walked away and left him the day he cheated on you in the first place. Because now you're becoming something you're not, unless you correct me and say, no, mina na isiyafana, ukuthi mina bengizibambile.
No, it's not that. You know, in 3 years of me having to date him, I never just thought I would cheat on him, you know. Instead, I tolerated what he was doing.
How many times did he do it?
Find out,
how many times did that guy pens a trainer? How many times did he pot it?
No, but guys.
How many times did he pot it? I will ask you like my father. How many times did he put it in? Answer.
You can answer after news headlines. Oh, news headlines. Anonymous, you'll answer after news headlines. How many times? All right, let's go to the news headlines. We'll be back. Here's Khopedi Dilokwe.
In our headlines at 10:30, the new witness who was set to appear before the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry has requested a formal postponement through a High Court application. And convicted rapist and murderer Thabo Bester says he will challenge his prison transfer to the Ebongweni Super Maximum Correctional Centre in Kokstad, KZN. Details at 11.
Thank you very much, Khopedi Dilokwe. 31 minutes after 10 o'clock, Anonymous got married mid-last year. Things were good between her and her partner, but he later went back to his wild ways, going out and coming back home in the early hours of the morning. She says he cheated on her in the past and she kept forgiving him, but eventually got tired. And this drove her into the arms of another man that she ended up sleeping with herself. Her husband found out about this affair that she was having, has now separated from her. She's reached out to him several times, but he's not budging. Her question is, should I keep asking for forgiveness or let it go? But Somizi asked a very important question, Anonymous. How many times did you catch him?
No, not catch him.
How many times did you?
No, how many times did this guy, her and this guy, did the deed,
Yes.
did the dude?
Oh, me and the guy.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were saying him with the other girl.
Uh-uh,
Me
no,
too, I also thought
No,
that.
to be honest, I only had sex with the guy once.
Okay, hold on. So, Mizi, I have a bone to pick with you because you said how many times did he put it, you know?
Yeah.
Who says Anonymous didn't put it in herself? Like, guys, no, exactly. You know what I mean? Because we make it seem as if women don't want it. We make it seem as if most women are just receivers. When you want something that bad, we as tatela yona. You know what I mean? And that's what I'm getting at here. Anonymous, everything that happened, and you keep saying it was not you, Anonymous, you did everything. Mina, from my side, I am with you here. Somebody, you know, you did what you wanted. And there's also nothing wrong with saying, oyithathile lento. Angisho uyithathe ngoba uyifuna. Thank you.
Really, Anonymous?
Yes. How?
Emma, let her respond. Anonymous. Hey.
Yes. I won't say I did what I did because I wanted to. I did what I did because because of him having to do what he was doing, you know.
So it was like a dummy,
but
like
what
a dummy for a baby.
You what you did had emotions involved. So meaning you wanted to do what you did.
Which is true,
You know,
I
I was
think.
like, if I wanted to, if I wanted, like I did what I did intentionally, so I would have kept on going back to a guy. But then I just did it once, and then that was it.
Why did you keep the messages though? Why?
You said they must keep
You
them
know,
to
you know when
No,
you're not
I
a
said they must
cheater,
delete.
you literally don't even know who a cheater's trend. Like, what does a cheater
Yeah.
do? You know,
Yeah.
I'm not that person. I don't even know who when you cheat, you should remove evidence and
Okay.
whatsoever. You know,
When we end this time, I'm going to give you details of the CCSA, right?
okay.
What's that?
What's that?
Cheaters College of South Africa.
Oh, okay.
Cheetah's College.
Yes. I'm a board member because
And you are never bored.
why? Yes. Why? Because why, girl? Why didn't you delete? You wouldn't be here now. Because what he doesn't know won't kill him.
Kill him.
Now it's killing him.
It is. Hey.
It is. So how can we help you? I want us, because I think Naked is very good at this because he never cheats.
No, I actually want to say one last thing. Nelson.
I don't say one last thing.
Aye.
You want to say something because uzophinda ukhulume isho.
You know, we know that our partners are emotional creatures as men, right? And we know that when we break them, they will fight back emotionally, or they will not be able to deal with stuff emotionally. Therefore, Anonymous, that's not even your responsibility. I still blame him. Right? Don't blame yours. He should have never done what he did to you.
Yeah.
And then now where you should take ownership of what you did. Actually
Exactly.
empower yourself and say, no, it's what I wanted. It's what my brain wanted. It's what my body wanted. How come is it that when he cheated on you, he's not crucified as much as you are? He cheated as well,
wasn't
Moss.
even remorseful. You know, I was
Exactly.
even asking, dude, you are cheating on me, and like, I'm the man. I'm like,
Exactly. And then Manje, when Anonymous, you're gonna be saying what I did was wrong. I shouldn't. Anonymous, he cheated on you. He's not remorseful. Aganandaba, and he will continue to do it again. The problem is when you are now talking to him. Now you don't say, hey, I have feelings. I did what I wanted to do. This is what my body wanted. This is what my mind wanted.
Mm-hmm.
But it would have never happened if you didn't break the contract from the get-go. Because then now you want to be submissive when he's coming at you saying, I'm the man and this is what men do, men cheat. Now I'm telling Qiniso, why must you lie about it? Tell him about how you feel. Or else you'll never solve this thing. I'm done.
Yeah.
Yo kunini. Hi.
I wish you could see so easy.
And
I wish you could see
and
him.
kuno anti amajolo naked wakho yazi lo naked wakho man. Ungahambi ima. Guys, naked is wearing shorts. Ay,
My man,
lalela.
the calves.
Lay the whole. Okay, Anonymous.
Yes.
Listen, I will say this again. I will never get tired of saying this. Right? Men practice what they preach. Men, they do. Nina, you saying it. I'm a Kosikazi. You say it. My red flag is if you cheat on me, I leave. Seka chichilega 93. Usase, where? You still because you don't practice what you preach. Women don't practice what they preach.
That's true.
Sure.
But also, in the famous words of an amazing poet, she said, let's give our black brothers grace.
Wow. He's very good.
No, you didn't. Too soon.
Perfect timing, actually.
Yes. Please. But on the real, I treat Lamans and cook seko. Treat Lamans and cook I seko. Spill the water.
Noted.
Yes, because now it's the same thing that happened. I think was on last week. The guy that
Oh, yeah, I remember that guy.
you remember that
calling,
guy
Yeah.
Exact same
where
story.
he was throwing toys just because she cheated once. Men don't take cheating lightly.
Lightly.
No, being cheated on lightly because it's like robbing a robber. Literally, it's like robbing a robber. It's like making a clever a barry. They don't like it. And again, I'll go back to that thing when I said men are physical beings. It goes that far. It's about somebody put it where he puts it. It's physical for them. They get to the emotional part. Are you in love later? To them, it's like, how many times did you do it? How big was he? What styles did you do? Were you mourning the way you mourn? It's all physical. So his ego is bruised. He's a victim right now. And wherever he goes, you are a villain in his story. Including his mother, his uncles, his sisters. His sisters, they loathe you. Back Zonda. Oh, you've hurt their brother. Their brother never did anything to you. Anything. The brother was there for you when you needed him financially, emotionally. The roof. How can you do this to our brother? How can you do it to our brother? Our brother never had a soul. Do you know our brother loves us and he takes care of us?
Sure.
So leave these things. You see, it's going to be a nightmare. You are fighting over a dead horse. Puma.
Yeah, boy.
Puma Standosami. Forgive yourself as well. And not forgive yourself because you cheated on him. Forgive yourself if you are not a cheater, that you did something that is not in your thingy.
Caliber.
Yeah, bo?
Did you just say
Thank
caliber?
you.
Oh,
Ute caliber.
that's
I
not
know,
within
my
her
English,
caliber.
the words in. I use noma kanjani. Ukaliber ungenaphi la?
No, she said it's not in her caliber.
Naked. Any last words?
Actually,
Time?
No, thank you.
when is the last time you spoke to this guy?
I actually do, hey. I think it was day before yesterday.
You still speak to him? The guy you cheated with?
No, not the guy that I cheated with, my husband.
Okay.
The guy that I cheated with, no, I'm no longer in contact.
We're coming
with
back,
him.
Anonymous. We're coming back. Let's wrap up proper, né? Let's wrap it proper.
Okay.
All right, the chairman of CCSA, Cheaters College of South Africa, Somizi Mhlongo, has spoken. Naked DJ, let's wrap it up with Anonymous.
Okay, so you don't speak to the other guy anymore. completely, it's done.
Completely.
You don't
Completely.
even, in the middle of the night, you don't just wake up
Lose-
in a sweat, nje,
Nothing.
like craving
Little,
anything,
little.
with craving, midnight cravings, nothing.
Ati
Nothing.
lutho.
So he wasn't even that good.
Actually,
Ish. He wasn't, to be honest. You can't wanna, I even regret why I even did what I did.
Out of
and
10?
being caught with someone who was better would have made a difference.
out of 10, how bad, like how good out of 10, or like
This guy was
like
so
rated?
4.5.
5.
4.5.
4
Oh,
point,
you didn't even pass.
not even.
So, yeah.
So- Anonymous, do you
Yes.
think if you would have cheated with somebody that was better, like better sexually, gave you more orgasms, better financially, how do you think things would be right now? Would you still be regretful? Would you have called us today?
I would be. My husband has been, even though he had cheated numerous times or whatsoever, he was a good partner. Besides the cheating and whatnot.
Aye, stop
However,
it.
I think I would have given.
Stop it, Anonymous. If somebody is a cheater and breaks things and is unfaithful and puts your health at risk, there's nothing
Yeah,
good about it. Remember, it was good in your head because you didn't know what was happening.
What
But
was happening.
once you found out what was happening behind your back, it stopped being good. So he was never good.
Yeah, I would say you're telling the truth. There.
Exactly.
Um,
So as you can see, Guti, hey, it's umjolo.
Guning.
Yeah, guningi. And don't put your relationship on a pedestal where, because we know, Guti, things were broken there. Okay? So it's time to move forward. Go sit with them, talk it out, tell the families, and do what you want to do. Do what your heart wants. Okay?
Yes.
And going on in future, this thing of they turn me into Anonymous. Now funa something. It's your thing. It's what you want. Take accountability for it. And it's your life, and nobody should ever talk down on you for wanting things and for putting things in yourself. Okay? Sharp.
Hey, Anonymous. Good luck, my love. Really good luck. I need you to continue listening to the radio. Let's hear what advice South Africa has for you as well, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Kuto.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
easy. Thank you, everybody.
Sharp. Bye.
Much love. CCSA closed. What advice do you have for Anonymous, man? Maybe you're also part of CCSA and you'd like to be a part of this discussion as a board member. Call us 086,000 2160. Two wrongs. Wycliffe coming through with Claudette Ortiz. Two wrongs. 49 minutes after 10 o'clock. CCSA school is officially opened. Let's advise Anonymous. 086,000 2160. Or you can send through your voice notes to 060 552 7303. Naked, Somizi, are we ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Tando in Joburg, good morning.
Hi, good morning. I just want to comment on Anonymous story.
Let's go.
It's similar to my story. I got cheated. The lobola letter was bought. Luckily, it wasn't paid. And the guy cheated when my child was 3 months. And I forgave him thinking, you know what, I don't want to raise a child alone. And that was a red flag I knew, but I still felt like society will judge me having my first child and then I don't have the father. Guess what? Later on, the guy cheated. I don't know with how many women. I stayed. The day I decided to move on, I stayed without this guy for the last 5 years. I raised my 2 daughters alone. So the biggest regret Anonymous will have is giving someone a chance. You are going to be emotionally damaged, which is not worth it, because that person doesn't value you. Men know their worth. So you don't really need to say my husband. If you are not the wife, it doesn't really matter. This guy did what he wanted to do at his own time. So being married doesn't really justify it to say you must fight for that guy. You are nagging, you become a nonsense to him. So swallow your pride and just move on with your life. There is more to life than that. I'm raising my 2 beautiful daughters. I've never been happy in my life ever since I left that guy. No guy will ever come and teach me what my worth is. So please, Anonymous, move on. He's not worth it.
Wow.
Okay, Stando
Thank
Sam.
you.
Stando Sam. Well done. Mara, sanetone engri samele emuva leyo ntama umrelease fully umrelease sithanda sami release him forgive yourself ngoba ngisayizwa le ounce I've known my worth ne
Yes.
okay baby girl
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
So that laugh was the agreement to what you said.
Yes.
Okay, let's go through to Pumzile. Morning, Pumzile.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hey, good on you.
We're good, thanks. I think for me now, what I'm picking up is that Anonymous wants to go back to a man that was a good man then, and she's basically not letting go of what was. So I think my advice would be that that man was a good man then, and he made a choice not to be that guy anymore. So what is it exactly that you're going back to? So that's the part that you need to ask yourself, that are you still going back to the man that he was then when you said he was a good man? Or are you going back to the current man that he chose to be? So, I think for me, it's let the good, let the bad be the bad and continue with your life. Because he's shown you what he is and you are just choosing not to see it. Okay. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Pumzile. We appreciate you calling in and advising Anonymous. Let's take a listen to your voice notes.
Morning. Ask a man team.
Morning.
Anonymous. Ushapile own goal. Thought she's going to get back at the G, but having not had a satisfactory encounter, that's her own goal. They need to talk it out, but I don't think it's worth saving. Just part ways and start afresh. Everybody just part ways, start afresh. Amen. I pay.
I definitely think he's a hypocrite and might even be a narcissist, because he finds it a problem, the fact that you did it, but when he did it, he was a man. Like, honestly, I think you definitely know what is the right thing to do, and he disrespected you, and he doesn't like the fact that you're doing it back now. And the fact that anger is just, don't do it, girl. Like, let it be, because clearly you are telling that you are and you're just going and pleading and begging the whole time. I just definitely think move on with your life, go out there and stand up for yourself and do what you're going to do for you and not for this person.
Yo, guys, to Anonymous, if there's one thing that Usomizi always says is that men love themselves so much. Men love themselves, and I just feel like for us ladies, it's time that we also just start putting ourselves first, because why would someone cheat on you several times and you cheat on him once and he ends things? So, yeah, no, Anonymous, love yourself, my dear.
Morning, Metro. According to me, Anonymous, like, you did spoil your man a lot, and then now you are leaving him. I'm asking myself now, I'm a man, that's why I cheat. Like, guys, stop spoiling men. When a man cheats, leave. Don't think he will change. Even if I got stopped for 10 years, after 10 years, he will continue. Like, if a man cheats, he's a cheater. Like, there's nothing you can do. And then, no, Anonymous, approve my sister.
All right. We got comments here saying, does it sound like we're condoning or the gents are condoning cheating in studio? Hashtag Ask a Man.
Not at all. Like, when you write a contract, remember this whole marriage is a contract. And when you cheat, what does that mean?
Breach.
Yes. So when the contract is broken,
Clash of the Titans.
Then it's Clash of the Titans. And this thing of people thinking that it's only men that cheat, come on, guys. We are all human beings. We all have it in us to cheat for whatever reason. And the thing is, just be honest. If you know you have no monogamy bone inside you, no pun intended, like, then don't get into a monogamous relationship. It's 2026. If you know you're a different kind of person and you don't want that conventional love that people have always, or society says is the norm, there's different relationships out there. Choose the relationship you want to be in.
Unfortunately, Naked, I know in a perfect world that's how it's supposed to be, but unfortunately, it's not the case.
Why?
Because people love to have their bread buttered both sides. They enjoy that. So if I'm in a relationship with you, there's certain perks that I enjoy that I will not get from a side chick. There's perks that I get from a side that I won't get from you. For example, from you I would get stability, sense of belonging, security,
good sex,
love. Sex, not really. It could be because I'm with you, because you look good on the red carpet. But maybe even that, good sex, great. But from a side, I would get amazing fun without rules.
Gigabytes.
Yes, amazing fun without rules.
Right.
I want with the side. I won't be asked. Where have you been? Don't know A, B, C, and D. There's certain things that are so enjoyable with the side that I will never get from the main.
Yeah.
So, telling a cheater to go for relationships that can allow that is like telling a kleptomaniac not to walk into a candy store. Literally, because the reason why they walk into the candy store is because the candy tastes sweeter if it's stolen than if it's bought.
Okay.
Come on.
Maya Angelou did not die; she multiplied.
Maya, so Miss Angelou.
She multiplied in me. So unfortunately,
Maya Angelou is in you.
So unfortunately, that's the case, my friend. So sad. It's sad, and the sad reality. Cheating makes people think marriages are not good, marriages are not nice, and there are good marriages out there. There are great marriages out there. There are people who are two people. They say in every relationship there's one person that cheats. That's not true. It's just that it's popular with one person is a failed pop. But there are marriages where two people don't cheat.
Amen.
That's right.
Amen. That's right.
And it can never be me.
It's time for the news.